Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Please download content from Pinterest only if you have permission from the original creator. Want to download videos from Pinterest in just a few seconds? Let me show you the easiest way. First, open the Pinterest app and select the video you want to download. Now tap the share button and copy the video link. Next, open your browser and go to TECHLOADblog.com. Then tap on three-dot icon top left hand. Then tap on Pinterest Downloader Tools. Paste your copied link into the box and tap the download button. Again, paste your copied link into the box and tap the download button. Within seconds, your Pinterest video will be ready to download.